How to disable guided access on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Scroll down to the General section at the end and tap on Guided Access. Guided Access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. To start Guided Access, triple-click the side button in the app you want to use. If you want to disable this feature, then turn off the Guided Access switch at the top. Following these steps, you can easily disable Guided Access on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.